In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can report hackers here in Fortnite Chapter 7, whether you're on PC, console, mobile, it doesn't matter which device you're playing on. Before we get into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do is go up to the top right corner and select your profile icon and essentially just scroll through your friends list or your blocked list, or what you can do is go to add everyone and go to your friend invites, or if you scroll down even more, there's a recent players option on here. What you're going to want to do is essentially just find whatever player you want to report. You could search them specifically if you're like watching them in game, but essentially, and let's just say Elite Gamer 103013 is hacking, I'd select them, and then what I would want to go ahead and do is go to a more options button. Now this doesn't really work with friend requests that well. I would recommend searching them. But essentially open up this more options section and then you're going to see a report tab right here. Go ahead and choose that and then hit yes. And then from here, you're going to see a bunch of different options. Go ahead and choose cheating and hacking. And in this section where it does say, you know, what were they doing? Go ahead and type in whatever they were doing, whether it was aimbot, wall hacks, etc. Press continue to send that report, and that is it. You've now successfully reported that player. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.